Welcome, madam. Madam, just explain me, when did you realize that you are a victim of Me Too?
You know what? "14 years back, on shooting spot, okay? And then you know my caliber, right? See, because I am from Bombay. This guy from South India, and so he touched me. It was not in the shot. He touched me. All of a sudden, "Hi, ma, what is this?" My mom was there, so she said, "It's possible. So this is not the screen." So yeah, sir. I'm talking to you, sir. So then he touched me somewhere. So I said, like, "What is this nonsense?" I called director, "So what is this? This is not in the scene. This is not in the script. What is this? What is this going on?" So he said, "No, he gave some bullshit reasons, okay?"
Madam, could you please stop it?
Wait.
Yeah, he's like that. He's like that.
Sir, I will tell you the truth, sir. Sir, that day, whatever you know mosquito, sir? Mosquito bit her butt. Okay, I just hit. What shit she is talking?
See, this is the language he used always. Always he used the same language. So he hit me and then he said, "Let's mosquito." Okay, fine with me. Okay, mosquito was there, and then if I consider there is a concern about me, okay, Baba, okay. After that, shot got over. I was in relaxed mood. He came and then he sang a vulgar song. It's a vulgar.
Sir, it's a
I
song.
go
It's a
to Me Too.
Allah.
I want to go to Me Too against this guy.
Sir, enough. I'm telling you, it's not a vulgar song. It's a famous song, sir, of Sanjay Dutt. You know "Choli Ke Piche" song?
See?
Choli ke piche kaage, choli ke piche.
Oh my God.
Choli ke piche kaage. That song, sir. Tell me, what is the vulgar in this?
See, sir, please. He was looking at. You have to put that beep, okay?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. So he was looking at that, and then he suddenly sung the song "Choli Ka Piche Kya," and then this guy pronounced like "kage." That is not "kage," that is "kya hai." He doesn't understand language, and then he doesn't know how to behave with girls. He is a famous hero. No, sir, I had decided I go to Me Too. I want to go to Me Too. I decided against this guy. Yeah. And then open it.
ஏய் என்னடி வேணும் உனக்காக கருப்பு ஷர்ட் போட்டுக்கிற, கருப்பு வாட்ச் போட்டுக்கிற, கருப்பு கிளாஸ் போட்டுக்கிற, உனக்காக என் உடம்பே கருப்பா ஏத்திக்கிற, என்னடி வேணும் உனக்கு?
Whatever it may be, I don't like him.
என்னடி பேசிருக்கிற?
Please stop.
Hello, madam.
Sir, it's okay, sir. Sir, I want to accept the truth, sir, today. I like her, sir. मुझे कुछ होता है और सब कुछ करना है.
Sure.
Yes, I am double sure.
You really like me?
Yes, I like you. Come.
Me too. You love me?
Yes, I really love you.
Me too. You marry me?
Of course, I marry you.
Me too.
Come, darling. Let's go. Me too.
Hello, sir.
The Me Too movement is taking place in parts of Indian society, including government, media, and the Bollywood film industry, to speak out and bring allegations of sexual harassment against a number of prominent men. But in this skit, we have given a different meaning altogether about Me Too is starting a new life, a loud one, being together with a lot of understanding and immense love. Long living love.